This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix air speaker not working on iPhone after last iOS update. So if you're having this problem, follow these easy steps to fix this issue. The first solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility, tap on touch, scroll down, tap on call audio routing, and here select speaker and then check the issue. The second solution is make sure to disable silent mode. Press on volume up button to increase your volume and then check the issue, and then restart your iPhone and check the issue. The third solution is clean your iPhone speaker. You can use tissue or soft cloth to clean your iPhone speaker and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix air speaker not working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.